Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be walking you through how to integrate a phone number input in React using Bootstrap for styling. We will be using the React International package to handle the phone input and ensure everything looks slick and professional with Bootstrap. So before wasting more time, let's dive in. First of all, I'm gonna open here the git bash. You can use PowerShell or CMD. I'm going to check for Node version. Make sure you have installed the Node package in your computer. And now let me create a React app. So it's going to take some time. I'm going to pause the video, and when it is done, I'm going to continue the project. Alright, so our project has been created. Now let me change the directory. Now I'm inside project directory. Let's open VS Code. Let me close this and let me open the git bash inside VS Code. Alright, after that I'm gonna type the npm start, which will start this project on a browser. You can see our project is running perfectly. Now let's go to the source app.js. You can see we have the default boilerplate here. After that, I'm gonna open another git bash. And first of all, I'm going to install all the required packages. So I'm going to install npm. You can see we don't have that here. So I'm going to install that React International Phone. So this command will install this package. Now we also need the Bootstrap. So I'm going to install that as well. So we have a Bootstrap. Now let's get back and remove everything from here. I'm going to import useState, and also I'm going to import React International Phone, and let's import the styling for this package. So I'm going to type here import, and I'm going to import the CSS. Now let's import the Bootstrap. All right, so we have imported everything. Now let's continue the code. So here I'm gonna type export default, and I'm gonna create a function. Function name will be app. Inside that, I'm gonna create a default country. Default country, and I'm gonna assign that with a country name. I'm gonna give it here PK. You can type any country name here. Now let's move to the next code. Here I'm going to create constant, and it's going to be phone, set phone, and empty use state. After that, I'm going to return, and inside return, we will be typing our HTML. So let's do that. Last name will be container, margin top will be 5. Inside that, we need card and max auto. Let's give it some custom style, max width, and it's gonna be 500 pixel. div, and that's going to be our card body. Inside that we need title, so I'm going to using h2 and card title, and the text will be center. International phone number input. Let's make this capitalize. All right, so we have created our card now. Let me remove this. Now we are good to go. Save it and let's check this out in a browser. So I'm going to open. You can see we have a card and we have a title. Now let's continue our input. So I'm going to create here div form group. Inside that, I'm going to create label. That will be enter phone number. All right, let's create the input, phone input, and let's give it ID. So the ID will be phone input. After that, we can edit default country, and I'm gonna pass default country variable. Now let's add value, and it's gonna be phone. Let's create on change function. Beside that, I'm gonna pass the arrow function, and it's gonna set the phone number into the empty state. Now let's give it a class, and the class will be deflex from control. Now let's add some placeholder. That will be enter your phone number. All right, let me minimize this. So we are done here with the code. Now let's check this out in a browser. You can see we have our input working. Now if I change the flag and if I type the any number, you can see we have the specific format for this country. And if I select this one, we have a specific format for this country. Let's select another one. And if I type, you can see we have a different format. So we are done here. If you like our video, please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.